All right, guys, do you want to learn a quick little trick in ClickFunnels 2.0 that's going to make it so much easier and so much quicker to build all of your funnels? It's Rachel with the Certified Funnel Builders, and I'm going to be talking about style guides today. All right, it's going to be a quick video, just a quick tutorial on how to use them. That way you guys can get started and just start working on your own funnels. All right, so I'm going to share my screen real quick. I'm just in a little funnel that I've built, a mock funnel. And let's hop into a style guide. So a style guide is basically, they have them for buttons, for headlines, for shadows, for corners, for a lot of different elements on the funnel page. You can save 3 different styles. So you can see right here, I'm in the button style guide, and I have 3 different button styles that I can edit and save, and they'll always be there. So if I go, let's see, right here, this is I can edit my first style. I can change the color, change the font, change the size, all different things, just make it match your brand or whatever. And then you can have a second button for like if you have different background colors and you need different ones. And then you can also have a third one. So when you are in your funnel editing and let's add a button real quick. You're gonna add a button, and then I'm gonna come into the settings. Now, if I scroll down a little to where it says button style, I have 3 styles automatically saved right here. So I don't need to edit it at all. I just need to change what it says. But the font, you can make the font you want, the color, all of it. So let's look at some other style guides that are within ClickFunnels 2.0 as well. So they have them for headlines, I believe. Yeah, so actually, yeah, they have them for headlines, but they're a little bit different. You change like the size. So you can like put a set size in. So if you go into here and you hit edit style, you can change, like, you can actually change the font of it too. So if you want like your headlines to be a certain font and then your sub headlines to be a certain font, you can change those and have those saved. And then you can, so this is the extra large. This is the size for the extra large one. And then you can go down and this is the large, how big the large is going to be, in the medium. And you can change all those right in these settings right here to what you want them to be. All right, so that's how you do headlines. And then let's see, you can also do shadows. So let's look at this box, this row element. And if I come down here into shadows, there's a style guide right here for shadows. So I can have 3 different shadows saved and use whatever I want. And then as well with corners. So I can have 3 different corner styles set and just use those throughout the whole page. Let's see, anything else with style guides? Okay, so the way it works in 2.0 is you have your 3 styles, and then if you come in and you don't want to use your saved set styles, you'll just have to click reset, or let's see, this is what it would look like. I'm going to add a button real quick, come into the settings, and I don't want to use a button style. I don't want to use 1, 2, or 3. I actually want to override, and then all the settings will show up right here, and this is how you can like customize it and make it whatever you want, just right there. So yeah, guys, that's about it. That is how style guides work. Super useful, and they just make everything so much quicker. That way you can have your branding saved basically in the back end of ClickFunnels, and you don't have to continually update on each funnel. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you guys have any questions, or yeah, that's it. You guys have a great day.